Okay, so this is a pretty straightforward question. So we know that Friday is the 13th. So working backwards, we can subtract 7 from this, and we know that Friday is also the 6th. We also know as a result, if we subtract 6 more, that what is it? So yeah, so we know that we can't subtract 7 more. Sorry. So we know that Friday is the 13th, and Friday is also the 6th. So now we just work backwards. So Thursday is the 5th. Wednesday is the 4th. Tuesday is the 3rd. Monday is the 2nd, and Sunday is the 1st. So hence we know that our answer is Sunday. So it's a simple like step up and then working backwards. It could be more complicated. For example, like asking about what January 21st was, but you would have to carefully work backwards to figure it out. And I would recommend being careful where there's a boundary or a borderline, meaning like, for example, if I try to go, all right, the 13th is a Friday, the 6th is a Friday. So now I can't subtract 7 more from this. So I can subtract 6 and it would become 0. So 0 would mean the last day of the previous month. So that would be the 31st of January. But then we want to subtract 7. So then it would be the 30th of January would be a Friday. And then I can work forward from there and go about it. But when you're switching months, that's when you want to be careful and make sure your dates are right. So like borderline, that's what I call it, like boundaries here. You want to make sure when you're jumping from February to January, you're like making sure you're adding the right or subtracting the right numbers. Okay. Leap year, February 29th, 2004 occurred on a Sunday. On what day of the week will leap year February 29th, 2020 occur? So this is a little more complicated and involved. I'll give you some time to think about it and then we can solve it together.